Is this the best buy and sell indicator? Today we will be showcasing and backtesting a premium buy and sell indicator and seeing how profitable it is. We will also be showing you a strategy that the indicator can be used with so that you will know exactly when to enter into a buy or sell position. The strategy can be used with crypto, forex, and stocks. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's start. The buy and sell indicator that we will be backtesting and using with this strategy is the Market Spotter indicator. Market Spotter is a package of 5 indicators. There is a momentum, trend, support and resistance, hybrid, and scalping indicator. Since we usually cover scalping strategies on the channel, we will be using the Market Spotter V5 indicator. Now let's head over to TradingView and add it to the chart. First click on the Indicators tab, after that head over to the Invite-Only scripts. Once you have done that, select the Market Spotter V5 indicator and add it to the chart. This will be the only indicator that we will be using for the strategy. Now let's take a look at how the indicator works. The indicator currently displays buy and sell signals combined with a zero lag moving average. This moving average can be used to filter out signals that go against the greater trend. When the price is trading above the zero lag moving average, we will be looking for buy signals, and whenever the price is trading below the zero lag moving average, we will be looking for sell signals. So let's now take a look at an entry that can be made with the indicator. As you can see here, the price just crossed above the zero lag moving average. This means that we will look for a buy position. We can see here that the indicator printed a buy signal. This will be the signal to enter into a buy position. We will be putting the stop loss at the zero lag moving average or at the recent swing low, depending on the current volatility of the market. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. Here we see that the price is trading below the zero lag moving average. This indicates that the market is currently in a downtrend. Knowing this, we will be looking for the next sell signal. As you can see here, a sell signal was printed. This will be our signal for entering into a sell position. We will be placing the stop loss at the recent swing high or at the zero lag moving average. We will pick which one we will be using based on the current volatility of the market. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. Even though the indicator is quite profitable already, there are still a few false signals that are provided. So let's now change the indicator settings to optimize it for the strategy that we will be using. First, navigate to the indicator's settings and click on the Inputs tab. As you can see, the indicator can be fully customized. We will be leaving the ATR period and multiplier at the same value. However, for the zero lag moving average, we will be checking the safe mode checkbox. If you would like to be alerted whenever there is a signal, you can also enable this. Lastly, we will be changing the moving average settings. We will be adding an exponential moving average with a 200 period length. This was all that we needed to do. Now, let's take a look at how the strategy works. We will be using the 200 period EMA indicator as a larger trend filter indicator. This means that we will use the 200 period EMA to know what the current trend of the market is for the longer term. To know what the short-term trend is, we will be using the zero lag moving average. Lastly, we will be using the signals to know exactly when we should enter into the position. Let's showcase some entry examples so that the strategy can be understood better. As you can see here, the price is trading above the EMA. This indicates that we are in a long-term bullish trend. Secondly, we can also see that the price is trading above the zero lag moving average, indicating that we are also currently in a short-term uptrend. Now we will need to wait for a buy signal. As you can see here, the buy signal has been printed. This will be our entry signal. Once we have entered into the position, we will place the stop loss at the recent swing low or at the zero lag moving average. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. Here we see that the price is trading above the zero lag moving average. We also see that a buy signal was printed. However, we won't enter into a buy position because the price is trading below the 200-period EMA, indicating that the long-term trend is still bearish. Now let's take a look at when to enter into a sell position. Firstly, we see that the price is trading below the EMA, indicating that we are in a long-term bearish trend. Secondly, we can also see that the price is trading below the zero lag moving average, indicating that we are also currently in a short-term downtrend. Now we will need to wait for a sell signal. We can see here that the sell signal has been printed. This will be our entry signal. Once we have entered into the position, we will place the stop loss at the recent swing high or at the zero lag moving average. For the take profit, we will target a 1.5 times risk to reward ratio. Now let's see how the trade plays out. To avoid too many trades in the same direction, we first backtested the strategy where we only took a maximum of 2 trades in the same direction. This caused for a 68% win rate with a 3.19 profit factor. However, during the backtest we noticed that these extra rules caused profitable entries to be skipped, so we backtested the strategy again. However, this time we backtested it without the condition. This caused for the strategy to have a 72% win rate, which is really good for such a simple strategy. We also see that the strategy has a very good profit factor of 3.86. Overall, I think this strategy is great for someone that doesn't want to spend too much time on the charts, because with this strategy we can also set alerts. If you would like to try out Market Spotter yourself, check out the link in the description or the pinned comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel.